Hi, it's Alli Peck from Glamour Glow Studios. Let's talk about how to allow your client to feel comfortable during their maternity session. I get asked this a lot because a lot of women, of course, are uncomfortable with implied nudity or partial nudity or full nudity. And for me, it starts with the correspondence with the client by sending them emails so that they are aware of what type of work that I do, what I can offer them and what I don't offer. And so I'm only attracting the clients that my social media is portraying, so I do a lot of semi-nude and implied nude work. So I'm actually attracting those clients that are already aware of that. So it's really important that you have your social media and your website portraying the work that you do on a regular basis and the type of clients that you want to attract. Also through your correspondence, make sure that they are aware of what they are coming into for their session. When my client arrives at the studio, we talk a little bit to set them at ease about their other children, their husband, the baby that they're having, if they know if it's a boy or a girl. And then we talk a little bit also about what kind of style that they like for themselves and what they're looking for. And that helps put them at ease. And it works really well. And by the end of the session, everybody is really comfortable. And they've probably done some implied nudes that they didn't think that they would have been comfortable at the beginning to have done. If you enjoyed this tip, I'd love to see you at academy.studios, where we have many more things for you to learn and grow as a photographer.